it, man.
It's definitely headed that direction. There's no doubt. There she goes.
Shoot.
Is it moving?
Yeah, towards the arena. You better move. Hey everybody, it's September 19th. Got a birthday boy tomorrow. Oh, he's gonna be 15. He's bigger than.
We're so glad you came. happy birthday. Now get your butt to work.
We're gonna do a couple of things later. Carson's gonna help me. He wants to help make his birthday cake. I'm making a cake for him. So we haven't really talked a lot about it, but we're getting really close to closing on a loan for our house, equity loan on our house, to do some remodeling that we were super excited about. We had planned this for years. We've lived here for 8 years and planned it for years and years. And then 3 years ago, Effie had brain surgery, so that kind of kicked it in the bud a little bit. And so we are super duper over the top excited. It sort of seems surreal. But one of the things that we are going to be doing, we have some big cedar trees behind here. If you can see them sort of in the background. So having big cedar trees up behind the arena that we are going to cut down. We've got a guy up in one of the little communities near us, little towns near us, that's going to mill those for us into boards, so that we're going to use some of those boards for shelving in a butler's pantry, some for just shelving here and there, and maybe cover a wall or something with it, maybe up the stairs or something like that, some of the thinner boards. So in order to do that, we are going to have to drop the trees and cut them up in a 16-foot section. So we're about to engage in a big old mess, but we're going to take you with us while we do this. So wish us luck. All right, so we decided that this might be the easiest of the three to cut down. Well, sharpen your blades. Do you have a thing that's already sharpened? Do you have a blade that's already sharp?
No.
All right, so we got to sharpen the blades. I had to leave and go get a fresh chain while Matt was sharpening the old blades. And come back and the scoundrel done cut it down without us.
There's more.
Thanks, Maddie.
There's more.
So we're gonna get these limbs up.
Had to have a practice run. If I screwed it up, at least that wouldn't be on. That's what I feel like. No.
So where are you gonna try to put it?
I'm gonna set it up like a normal tree would go here. But what's gonna probably happen is it's gonna land about right here. In that specific area.
Nice glasses.
Huh?
Nice hearing too. All right, me and Carson's gonna back up. Are you gonna move that?
Here we go.
What you think, Carson? Can you give us a play-by-play? Yeah, we're hoping it don't come into the arena.
Yeah, I just saw the same thing.
Let's back up a little bit. Let's go that way.
Look at this.
Hey, Lex. Oh, yeah.
That'd be cool to one.
Hello, dear.
We need somebody on that side holding the rope, and then when it goes to fall, like pull it. Because that's what we do with the thing. I mean, it can
If
help.
he says there's no way, why is he doing it?
I start seeing it run this way. if not, I think it's gonna fall.
If nothing else, if it starts to fall the wrong way, he needs to hide behind the other tree.
Oh, we should kill him.
He's gonna try to drop it that other way now.
I'm calling it right now. I'm seeing it is going that way.
Huh? Maybe it won't fall on the crab apple tree.
Oh, I could care less about.
Oh, got him back. I can see through it.
We got a gas.
What you think, Matt?
I ain't come down yet. Carson, please don't. That's like pouring out the Coke and eating the can.
Carson was walking right beside the.
He just took the wheel.
Turn.
Is it about to fall?
Yes. Did you not see it crack?
It looks like it's leaning more that way.
It is. It's gonna go straight that way.
Jesus took the wheel, took it from
Oh, there it goes.
Yes, sir. Well, I am highly shocked at this stuff.
Can you smell the cedar? Oh, no, it smells so changing his life today. He's got a 20-inch bar instead of an 18-inch bar on his chainsaw.
Like 20-inch rims on my truck.
Yeah.
See how it goes, Carson? It's got to go that little groove. Yeah. I just tighten it up.
I think he's gonna cut through that tree like butter today.
That's gonna be a joke.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get back on the road again. Thank you, darling. What are you doing at home? Shocker. Hey, if there's any clothes that need folded while you're watching TV. Down a little bit. Yeah. Grab that right there, back. Oh, Lord.
Well, there's a wedge for you.
Small piece.
He's scared again.
He cracks me up right back, so. You really are supposed to have 2 chainsaws all the time. The other one we have is crap. So if you get one chainsaw stuck in a tree, you got to...
Oh no.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's going straight this way.
Are you serious? Grab that right there. not good. His chainsaw's stuck in the tree. This is not a good scenario. This is when you really need 2 chainsaws. So we have an old chainsaw that Carson's gonna go get. Then we're gonna try to put a rope in the tree, which we probably should have done first, and try to give it a little bit of a nudge of which direction we want it to fall. So stay tuned for this debacle. Let's trust, guys.
Still no stay?
It was almost gonna stay. Dang it, man!
It's definitely headed that direction. There's no doubt. There she goes.
Shoot!
Is it moving?
Yeah, towards the arena.
This way?
Yeah. Oh man, you get to see our debacle today.
This is gonna be a great timber.
Yeah.
Golly. He's trying to get it to come back this way. Oh.
You might. If he gets it to come back this way, he's the best chainsaw guy I've ever seen.
Me too.
I think it's leaning too much to the right.
Too gone, I think.
I think so too.
It just keep it. I didn't. See
If he had a rope and could pull it that
a
way,
strong rope or a
right? But the
ours we have is like 150,
well,
200.
right, and he had the rope that he had a while ago was not. It's not very long. Like he's really got to get with my dad about getting a tree cutting rope.
Anchor it off.
He's doing it on the other
I can tell you tomorrow we're gonna be replacing some
It's not even moving.
1x6s. There it goes. Oh, you better move! Dan it to the chainsaws there. Damn it.
I think some boards broke.
That's not funny.
Well,
Shoot.
What is
dang it, man. That was just 2 or 3 boards, right? Carson said if it falls, it'll only get like 1 or 2 boards.
That's more like
No,
5.
Straight into the arena.
I know.
Pretty wood though.
It is gonna be pretty wood. So that didn't go as planned. And a mostly grown, but still sort of baby squirrel took his first roller coaster ride down and has a little bump on his head. It didn't look too good. So Carson's feeling super yucky about that. Nothing to do about it. He's bundled up in a jacket over there. I'm sure we'll have a squirrel nursery before it's over with. So now we just gotta get all this mess cleaned up. We'll have to replace a couple of boards tomorrow, but it's the way that it goes. Oh, another one.
Oh my God! There's 3.
There's a nest. Oh look, he went. Well, they're bigger.
No, that's not good.
That's really, really pretty. We still got a mess to clean up.
I had learned how that's bent. Normally I cut it from that side. Got my Nike.
Yo, he's not right. He's mad because I told him to make 2 piles. This one's big enough.
Here you go.
So I was just going to talk a little bit about me and Matt doing farm work. You know, I tell my patients all the time that they need to make time to date and to do things that they enjoy with each other. I am absolutely not an example to be, because we, in between work and craziness with kids, we certainly do not set aside time to go to get dressed up and to go out and date. But I will tell you that some of these times when we're up working together and accomplishing things together are some of the best times that we spend together. So this is our, I mean, we like to think of these as our dates for the most part, because it really is. I mean, this is the time. I mean, I'm not, you know, a huge get dressed up, go out kind of person. Like every now and then it's fine, but I'm just not, that's just not really what I'm all about, and neither is Matt. We would he'd rather be home. I have sir. I would he'd rather be here with his crazy self, acting silly, doing stuff like this, than I had dressed up in the best outfit, killing time out in the middle of nowhere. Not that I don't think it's definitely good to go out and be without kids sometimes, but certainly, I mean, this is our dates, and we've certainly got criticized for it from friends, from family, but we don't care. This is just who we are, and we love it. So almost got all the arena is clear. There's still a few little twigs and stuff, but for the most part. So all that we took out after that whole debacle, surprisingly, was one 4x4 post, which I think we have a piece of. So we'll put that in the ground tomorrow. And one board which popped off with nails, and ironically is all still in one piece. All right, all clear from that. We still got to move this piece of a stump or tree trunk over to the pile. Work smarter, not harder. This is it right here. That is going to about wrap it up. We're going to have to repair this fence tomorrow. Now I have got to get started with Carson. He wants to help bake the layers of his cake tomorrow. We're making a chocolate fudge filled ganache icing cake. He don't know that. I've never made it before, so we'll see how that goes.